I'm using the Wonder Blading Dream Brow Gel Serum by Wonderskin to fill in and shape her brows with. The shade I'm using here is Dark Brunette, and I'm using the included dual-ended brow brush to apply this on with. I personally like the outer half of the brow to be a little bit more opaque with pigment, so that's why I've started in the middle here, and then you'll see how I begin to softly blend this pigment forward for the diffused natural look. This formula contains silk fiber powders that gives a thicker appearance to the brows, but also what I'm most impressed by is that it has this pigment that adheres to the skin and brow hairs for a waterproof, transfer-proof, and budge-proof brow that lasts over 24 hours. It has a similar color payoff to a brow pomade, but it has more of a gel serum consistency, and it truly does not budge. Like with a pomade, it'll move if you drag your finger across it or something, but this formula stays in place. It's pretty incredible. I'll link it down below so you can check it out. I love how this brow turned out.